Welcome to this video about LeadsGO. We have just released a new version of the LeadsGO Mobile App, and it's now available both on the Apple Store and in the Google Play Store. I'll be demonstrating this on an Android phone, but it will look exactly the same on an Apple phone. I'll start by going to the Google Play Store, and you can do the same on an iOS phone, an Apple phone, by going to the Play Store. And here you search for LeadsGO. And there you find it straight away, and you can just download and install it. I've already installed it, so I will just fire it up by pressing open. When you start the LeadsGO mobile app, you get to the sign-in screen. And on the sign-in screen, you can either use Microsoft, Google, or Facebook as a sign-in mechanism by clicking on the icons at the top, or you can enter your email and password in the fields below and press sign in. I'll just use the Google as sign-in mechanism, and I will select the user I want to use, my Gmail account, and now it will take me through the authentication and sign me into the mobile app. You can just as well, as I showed you, use the username and password signing into the application. When you're signing into the application, you're taken to the main page or the home page. And here you will get a summary of your account. So you have your name, you have your status level, which mine is a diamond level, number of points that I've collected, number of leads created, number of leads that I closed with a win, and number of leads that are in sales process. Below that, you see the number of leads that are not assigned to any buckets. And below that, if there are any messages published from the account that you are linked to. From this, you can access all the main pages of the LeadsGO app at the bottom of the screen. You have the home screen or the home page is already selected. You can click on leads to see all the leads that you have available in your mobile app. You can also press create to see the screen where you create a new lead. And you can also press settings at any given time to go to the settings page where you can provide feedback, change password, delete your user, or just basically sign out of the solution. And all these bottom shortcuts to the different main pages will follow you through the application. On the other main page, you can press create to come to the create new lead page. Here you select at the top the quality of the lead that you're about to enter. It's either hot, meaning that it needs to be acted upon straight away, warm, where you can take some bit of time to qualify if it's a good lead or not, or cold if it's a long-term lead that you need to work on long-term. Below that, you select the bucket that you want to assign this lead to. By default, your default buckets are selected for you, but you can also select no bucket at all and assign it to that. And I just select none so that I don't assign it to any buckets. Below that, you enter if this is a new customer, if it's an existing customer, or I don't know. Any one of these are valid choices. Then you enter the name of the company, the name of the contact person. Below that, you can either choose to enter the email or a mobile phone. Either one is good enough. And a description of the lead itself. When that's done, you press save to save that lead. You can also press reset to clear the form and restart creating a new lead. When a lead is created and you have assigned it to a bucket, it will appear on your leads list. And here is my leads list, where you see all the leads that I have created and either assigned to a bucket or not assigned to a bucket. All of my leads are assigned to a bucket. If you want to get more details on a certain lead, you can just click on it or tap on it and you get to the lead details page. And here are all the details that you have entered on the lead, all the notes that has been added to it, and the history of this lead. So everything that is done with this lead, you will see in the lead details page. For the ones who also have access to Act functionality, you will see that to the right, you click on Act, and here are all the leads that are assigned to you for sales. And you can click on any one of these and then get the same details on the lead. But the different now is that you can also start editing the lead as if you are in the sales process with that lead. You can change it to sales, you can set it to drop, you can set it to loss, win, etc. And you can add some other attributes to it and press submit. So this is a mini CRM functionality for that given lead. And going back to the leads overview page, and just to inform you, it's not all and every account that have access to the Act functionality, especially the ones that have linked the LeadsGO into a CRM system like SuperOffice, Salesforce, or any other CRM system. So you now looked at the home page, the leads overview page, the create leads page, and the last page is the settings page, which we just described at the start, where you can delete your user, you can sign out, you can provide feedback, or you can change your password. That was basically a quick view on how to use the new LeadsGO application. And for the ones that have looked at the LeadsGO application before, you will probably recognize most of these screens. But hopefully it has improved a bit when it comes to usability and the look or feel of the application. Thanks for listening to me and happy hunting for leads. Thank you.